Amazon AMZN technicals to watch from here. On Friday, it did close pretty much, I would say, flat, slightly negative, 0.6% down. 87.70, right at that support line that I'm watching at the moment, which is 87.50. So what to watch from here for Amazon? We know Amazon hasn't been doing well, just like every other tech. If we switch to 1 month chart, monthly chart, 1 year chart, you can see every candle here represents 1 month of price action. Last 5 months, it's been coming down. Every single month is negative. It's been only positive only for 3 months this year so far. December is not over, but it's still down. So what to watch from here? So in terms of short term, very ultra short term, support level would be this year's low of 86. Basically, that's what I'm watching as a support. To the upside, I would be watching somewhere here $91 level as a resistance. And also, if I bring up moving averages, the stock is below all of its major moving averages. So red line 200-day, yellow 50-day, purple is 100-day, so it's below all of its moving averages. So if it tries to bounce, if we see any bounce in overall tech names, I don't expect the stock go above 50-day moving average, which is this yellow line up there. So another thing, if it does slip below all those levels and we see maybe flush below the support, well, I'm watching support from, let's go back like 3-4 years. I'm watching basically pandemic lows, 2020, when we had this COVID flushing move down all the way to 81. That was the low for Amazon. That's the level I'm watching as a support. And that level also, 80 right here, if you go back to 2019, where we had like a repo crisis and market was going crazy. If you pull up the volume profile, that's where a lot of accumulation happened. That's where a lot of volume traded. So I think this is going to be major support from here if we do see Amazon go lower all the way to low 80s. So that's the support I would be watching. Market capitalization of Amazon at the moment, 900 billion. So still mega cap stocks. And in terms of options, I don't look at the options with these big mega cap names because it's very hard to read, because institutional traders, like they play like all sorts of crazy strategies, because option market is not plain like mine, just calls and puts, because there's a lot of things you can done. There's a lot of selling going on all the time, every day, whether it's calls or puts, spreads. So that's why I don't pay too much attention. You can just keep an eye maybe on a daily activity if you want to take a look at maybe a naked put call option activity, maybe even implied volatility. That's maybe something that can give you a hint if people are more trading more options for Amazon or not. But other than that, well, I can just take a look at stats for Friday only. So yeah, standing out very big, and I cannot tell why there's 2 times more puts. And are they people selling puts in order to buy shares at that specific price they sold a put for, or people are bearish? I cannot tell that without software or without knowing if they own shares or not, because these are big volumes. So yes, by looking at the stats volume from Friday, you can see that there were definitely 1 million puts, 550,000 calls traded. So put to call ratio pretty big, but I cannot tell what it is actually exactly. So, but if you look at the chart, it's looking bearish. Yes, I'm watching it to the downside. If it does slip, those are the levels I'm watching as a support. So to the downside. To the upside, well, this is the support level. If it doesn't break below, yeah, those upside moves very likely. 5-day moving average, 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average would be pretty big move for Amazon, because if it tries to go all the way back to $100 for the rest of the year, that would be like 10-12% move. I don't think it's going to happen, even though, I mean, probability is there. But that's what I'm watching basically. So I don't want to talk too much about this name. This is the short update. We'll talk about this name again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join our Discord in the description. It's completely free. Thank you. Take care. Peace.